Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Nails. If you are a stamping lover, you might have heard about this store, store 2508 on Amazon. Today's video I will be reviewing sorry about the noise, the stamping nail polishes by this brand. So let's wait and watch the entire video. For a stamping lover, for a stamping nail art lover, special special stamping polishes are very important, and these are able to give you the nice pigmentation, proper vibrant design, which your regular nail polishes are not able to give. I do use regular nail polishes for stamping as well. I will mark the video in the cards above and also mention it in the description, so do watch how to use regular nail polishes as for your stamping. But not all regular nail polishes are able to give you the definition which special nail polishes are able to give. But most of the special nail polishes, if you guys know, are very expensive, and currently the only brand that I use apart from these nail polishes is the Born Pretty and a few by Conad, the old ones that I had. But since due to Corona you are not able to get international packages on time in India, you have to wait for more than a month or so I got these ones from Amazon. I saw about these. I've used Store 250 stamping plates. You might have seen these and the stamper that I got from this store, and I have reviewed this also on my channel, so do watch the video. I will again mention the card on the above and also in the description, the affordable stamping plates in India. You might have watched it, and let me show you the review of the stamping nail polishes from this brand. I got there are several sets available from this brand in the stamping nail polishes, sets of 5, sets of 3. So previously I got a black nail polish and a white nail polish from this brand, which I loved a lot, so I thought of trying different colors that are available from this brand. But they were very expensive previously, but now recently the brand has launched a 999 rupees का pack of 9 nail polish, जो आप easily Amazon से खरीद सकते हो. In this pack of 9 nail polish, you place your order first, then you the colors numbers are also mentioned in the description of the product, also in the images. So you pick up the number of the particular shade of 9 nail polish in total, and then you send it to the WhatsApp number that they have given. So they will make sure that you get all those colors जब भी वो आपका nail polish आपको deliver करेंगे. So you have to select the colors at your end, and they will create a pack of 9 for you and then deliver it to you. So this is my pack of 9. It comes in such large Ziploc pack. I will review all of them for you. Let me show you. So here are the pack of 9 nail polish that I got from the brand. This is the dark blue one, light blue one, copper color, yellow, green shimmer color, fuchsia pink, green, dark green, orange and gold. So these are the nail polish. Okay, 3 of them are metallic and rest of them 6 of them are regular nail polishes. Okay, so I will review each one of them. You can see the number. This is the number that is mentioned on each one of them. You can choose the number accordingly and ask the brand to deliver the particular shade to you. Okay, let me show you the numbers, so you guys, if and when you guys going to be ordering, you can make sure that you have the right color. The yellow one is 08, then blue, sky blue is 07, dark blue is 13, orange is 22, green is 11, fuchsia pink is 05, metallic green is 44, metallic gold is 03, and the copper color is 29. Okay, so let me show you each one of them using the Store 2508 stamping plate. you saw this one in my previous video and a lot of videos. And the 2508 store stamper. I'm sorry, this is very dirty because I use it a lot. So let's start the review. I will show you each one stamper on using the design and show you how they look when you do it. The first one is the copper color, shade number 29. Let's start. Metallic colors are my favorite for stamping because they look amazing and they give a nice look on especially on the matte colors. This is a super pigmented color. Can you see? So pigmented. And you can see how shiny it is, so glittery. Another one is the gold one. Here are all the shades that I have done. I've tried to show you like different types of patterns so that you know that you can use these nail polishes on any pattern. आप कोई भी pattern use कर सकते हैं and it will going to look so pretty. You can see all of them are looking so vibrant. This is the green, this is the orange, this is the pink, gold, metallic green, light blue, dark blue, white, yellow, and the chrome. So the copper one. All of them are looking so pigmented, but मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहती हूँ कि जो स्काई ब्लू शेड है और जो येलो और ऑरेंज शेड है, ये तीनों शेड थोड़े से ऑन लाइटर साइड हैं. आप इन्हें डार्क नेल पॉलिशेस के ऊपर नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हो. दे डोंट लुक so vibrant like these other ones. They will they tend to fade away, so इनको थोड़े से light background पे use करना पड़ता है. But I really love how the consistency it is and how quickly they dry. और ये nail polishes से smudge भी नहीं होते हैं. जब आप top coat लगाते हो तो उससे smudge भी नहीं होते हैं and they look really good. I think for 999 you get 9 nail polishes. That is about 110 rupees each for each stamping polish, and I think it's a good steal, क्योंकि Born Pretty वाली nail polishes I guess 300 to 400 rupees की आती है एक, and they are very very little quantity, बहुत थोड़ी सी आती हैं, and this is 8 ml polish that you get, and they are going to last forever and look very beautiful on the nails. I have done this design I have done using the white and black stamping polish by this brand. You can see how pigmented this white and this black is. So nice, so beautiful. सो यू गाइज हैव सीन, आपने इनको मेरी अलग नेल आर्ट वीडियोज़ में भी देखा होगा, एंड आई नो दे लुक वेरी प्रिटी। आप भी इसे डेफिनेटली ट्राई कीजिए अगर आप एक नेल आर्ट बिगनर हैं, अगर आप एक स्टैम्पिंग बिगनर हैं एंड यू वांट टू ट्राई न्यू nail polishes in your budget. You guys can give these a try and then go ahead with the expensive ones if you like. Otherwise keep using these ones, because I am going to keep using these ones. I will be buying more shades from this brand so that I can enjoy all the colors, I can make new designs, I can make new patterns. uh, Thank you for watching this video. I will mention the link इन सब नेल पॉलिशेस के मैं लिंक अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मेंशन कर दूँगी, सो दैट यू गाइज कैन गो हेड एंड बाय. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and do comment. Thank you. Bye.